Here we have a 67 plate BMW 320d M Sport Shadow Edition. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, as you can see just there, finished in black, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. If you come around to the front here, you'll notice that the vehicle is finished in a mineral grey metallic exterior paintwork, which looks absolutely fantastic. You may have also noticed we've also got the M Performance styling kit on this vehicle, which includes the front splitter, the side skirts and the rear spoiler, which you'll see shortly. We've then got our second 19-inch alloy wheel, again excellent condition, as you can see just there, M Sport badging just above, black wing mirror and colour coded door handles. We've got the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Let's take a quick look inside at the interior whilst we're working our way around, more on that shortly. We've then got our third alloy wheel, again excellent condition. Coming up, we've got our spoiler just here. How aggressive does this look? Really finishes the back end off nicely. And there's a look from the lower view just there. Shark fin antenna on top. Now we do have reversing parking sensors with a visual display inside. We've also got a dual exit exhaust on the bottom left just there. Now let's have a look at the boot space as well. As you can see, we've got a great amount of boot space just there. Extra cubbies on either side as well, with the 12-volt connectivity on the left just there. Now as we come to this rear corner, you'll notice that the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and here's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. There we go. Now if we go on to the interior next, we will start at the rear. We have got a full black Dakota leather interior throughout, and how fantastic do these seats look. We've got the fold down armrest in the middle, ISO fixed points within the seats. On the doors here we've got our integrated Harman Kardon sound system. We've got leather as well as the electric windows, brushed metal handle and this lovely silver trim. Additional storage just below. Behind the front seats we've also got the additional storage. We've got the 12-volt connectivity in the middle there as well. Now coming into the front, we've got that same full black Dakota leather interior. Again, how great do these seats look. On the doors we've got our same premium Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds fantastic. We've got our electric wing mirror controls as well as electric windows just there, brushed metal handle, plenty more leather, giving it a really luxurious feel inside here. The additional storage just below. Stepping inside, we've got our auto lights on our right. Now we'll close the door up. Keyless start, as you can see, it's just there. Now we'll just wait for that to load up. As you can see, the vehicle has covered just over 55,000 miles and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. If we take a step back, we've got our multifunctional steering wheel with different controls like speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears, auto wipers on the right, auto high beam assist on the left. We've got the engine start stop button just behind with the start stop technology just there. And then if we come up, we've then got our infotainment screen. So on here you'll find things like navigation. You've then got different forms of media connectivity. On here you'll find things like DAB, FM and AM radio, CD, Bluetooth audio and Spotify, as well as USB. We've then got our phone connectivity, so we can connect our phones via Bluetooth to make calls or listen to music. Now if I put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we've got our visual display of our rear parking sensors just there. We've then got different driving modes in this vehicle as well, things like Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro, each one having its own driving characteristics, so you can pick which one best suits your driving style at the time. Now coming down, we've then got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate controls as well, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. We've also got heated seats for both front passengers. Now coming down, we've got the additional storage space. We've got two good sized cup holders below here with more 12-volt connectivity. We've then got our traction control, different driving modes, gear stick just here. We can also take manual control of the gears like so, should you wish. We've then got our control wheel and shortcuts for the infotainment screen. soft touch leather armrest, which does also double up as storage. You'll find a USB port in there as well for connecting your devices. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 320d. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly as they should. Now starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press cruise, push up on the trigger like so, and we're now cruising at our current speed. It's very easy to adjust the speed with the same trigger, and then to deactivate this, I'll simply press cruise control or apply pressure to the brake, and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 8th gear, down to 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 6th, 5th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now it's an incredibly comfortable place to be in here as well. Of course, we've got the full black Dakota leather interior, heated seats for the for the front passengers, should I say, as well as the premium Harman Kardon sound system and all the modern amenities we could desire on the infotainment screen in the middle as well. Really nice place to be in here. Great for those long distance journeys as well. Could happily do 200, 300, 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years as well. So we are a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park while performing an emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse to show that that works as well, no problems at all. Of course, we've got our reversing parking sensor on the infotainment screen just there. And then one last test, we are about to go for a speed bump. There we go, completely free from any knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, the video walk around or this test drive, again feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.